Um, what are the multiple income tax filing my company and I are required to comply with? That's
You know,
also that's
go
also
ahead.
one that comes up a lot. Do you want to take a stab at it?
Oh, I get that a lot, and I'm like, I wish I just had like a cheat sheet that I could give for that fits everyone's, right? But I'll let you take that one, Ben.
Yeah, yeah. So multiple income tax filings my company and I are required to file. Um, so again, it goes back to the whole uh, depending on the type of business you are. So if you're an S corp, obviously you file at the entity level, right? And then you file at the personal level. So we're looking at the 1120S. We're also looking at the 1040 that you file at the personal level, and then of course the various state equivalents of these forms. Now, different states may require different filing obligations. So, for instance, if you're in New York, you'd also be required to file like a franchise tax payment, make a franchise tax payment based on your gross receipts, right? So again, this is one of those things we'd have to look at on case by case basis, uh, specific to the particular jurisdiction you operate in, and determine what filing obligations you have. Yeah.
Yes, and in addition to that, we're not talking about sales taxes and payroll tax filings, and if you're registered a corporation or an LLC in a different state, Delaware is common. You may have specific requirements there that are not income tax related. There is also something similar in some of the counties and cities in California where you have to file additional forms and franchise tax returns, like Ben mentioned, we have in New York. So definitely it's not a one size fits all. It's based on the business and where it's registered, how the business is structured. In general, you will have as an S corp, a partnership, or C corp. The company will still have to file a federal income tax return and a state income tax return at a minimum, one state. The business owner will have to file federal and state income tax returns, and then there might be other forms related to localities or other states where you do business.